How to use Gelato with Shopify. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how it works. So let's just go and get started. First, we're just going to start off from the Shopify point of view, and we want to click on Add Apps and select Shopify App Store. And next up, just simply search for Gelato. So you should be able to find it right away. So simply click on Install. Now you simply just want to connect Gelato with Shopify. So you're just going to log into your Gelato profile. If you don't have one, you can feel free to sign up from here, or you can just continue with one of these different services. So as you can see, it's going to say your store is connected successfully, and you can just feel free to start publishing your products from Gelato to your Shopify store. It's very simple. So the next step would be to go to the product catalog, and you're going to have a lot to choose from in here. So just go to the one that you want to find within the appropriate, category, and you're just going to start browsing, seeing the prices, the different materials, and so on. And once you find the product, you basically just want to select it. So once you actually find the product that you like, you're just going to go ahead and start by clicking on Add to Stores. And obviously you can feel free to first view it and see if you like it or not, and click on Add to Store. Select the store that we just connected, and now you're just going to start designing. So the first thing that you can do is first pick the different colors that you want to sell. So you can just feel free to pick them in here, and also the different sizes that you want to sell. Next up, you're just going to go in and start adding your design. So front and back, you can just go in and upload your design like so. Click on upload. I'm just going to use this one as an example, and you can just feel free to click on choose file, obviously. Resize it to your liking, and just do the same thing for the back if you want. If not, it's up to you, and you can just go in and do this. You can just feel free to resize it appropriately. You also have other things here like text, graphics, templates, layers, and so on, and also warnings if you do anything wrong. For example, here the image that I uploaded is low resolution, so obviously you just want to be careful with what you do, and click on continue to mockups once you're happy with it. So for the mockups, you're going to be able to find a few here. By default, you can pick them and pick whichever one is going to be the primary as well. So you can feel free to do that, and also pick a color to be the main image color. So I'm just going to use this, and that, and I'm just going to click on continue to details. And for details, it's going to be basically the title and also the description. Now for the description, obviously you want to be very, very descriptive when it comes to the material used and everything. So try to use the default description, just make it more personalized if you want to, and you can even attach the size table in here as well. And lastly, simply just want to click on continue to prices, and this is basically where you want to basically again just add the appropriate price. Once you're done, you simply just want to click on continue to review, and once you review everything, you can just go ahead and click on publish. And obviously you can even order samples so you can test out the quality of the product first before you start selling, so you ensure that you provide a very good experience for your customers. And now if you just go back to your Shopify store, you should be able to find the product. It is going to have the size guide, the description, the same title, and obviously you can feel free to adjust it from here if you want, and also the different mockups and media, and obviously the different variants, so size-wise and color-wise. So yeah, this is pretty much how to use Gelato with Shopify. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful, and for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.